Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up and enter your phone pin, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search phone app from here. Click on phone app. Click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After clear cache phone app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if voicemail notification go on won't go away on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.